Guys, if you've still got DVDs at home, but no easy way to play them on a modern TV, well, this is where being able to convert DVD to USB comes in. Instead of digging out a DVD player all the time, you can convert the disc to a digital file, put it on a USB stick and play it back more easy. Today, we're taking a look at WinXDVD Ripper Platinum. So if you've got old films, box sets, workout DVDs, family DVDs or scratched discs you want to keep using, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is WinXDVD Ripper Platinum, and the main idea is simple. You take a DVD, convert it into a digital format like MP4, and then you can save the file onto your computer, a USB stick, a NAS drive or another device. For me, DVD to USB is probably one of the most practical uses. A lot of TVs can play media from a USB stick and plenty of laptops don't even come with disk drives anymore. So if you've got DVDs sitting around in a cupboard, this gives you a way to keep them accessible without relying on the physical disc every time you want to play a movie. Now, in terms of support, well, you know what? WinXDVD Ripper Platinum supports all sorts of discs, including old DVDs, new releases, region-locked discs, 99 title DVDs, scratched or damaged discs, or homemade DVDs, TV series and workout DVDs. Now we'll run through the process, look at the output options, and WinXDVD is currently celebrating its 20th anniversary and they have got a special promotion running at the moment. So later in the video I'll show you where to find the deal, what links to look for, and I'll also mention the WinXDVD Video AI offer from the same company. So stick around to the end if you want to see what's available and whether it's worth picking up while the promotion is live. Now guys, before we get into it, WinXDVD did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's jump in and I'll show you exactly how this works. Now guys, the main basic process here, it's all straightforward. Load the DVD, select the title video, choose the output, run the conversion. And if your main goal is DVD to USB, I would start with MP4 because that gives you a file that's easy to copy, easy to store, and usually plays nicely on modern TVs, computers, media players, and other devices. Now, once the disc is loaded, WinXDVD scans it and shows the available title, audio and subtitle options. And that's important because DVDs are not always simple, right? Some have multiple titles, some have region restrictions, some have copy protection, and TV series discs can have several episodes on one disc. So the first thing I check is that WinXDVD has picked up the correct main title or the episode you actually want to convert. From there, choose MP4 as the output format. You can also choose other formats like HEVC, AVI, MOV, MP3, and there are presets for devices like iPhone, iPad, Android, PC, TV, USB, NAS, and game consoles. But you know what? For a simple DVD to USB job, MP4 is the one most people will probably go for. Then guys, choose where the file is going to be saved. And once the rip is finished, you can copy that video file onto a USB stick. You can then plug that USB stick into your TV, media box, computer, or whatever you want to play it on. And you've got the film or video without having to use the DVD each time. And that's the main practical benefit here. It's not about making the process complicated. It's about getting your DVDs into a format that fits how we actually watch things nowadays. Also, there are backup options. If you want to keep more of the original disc structure, WinXDVD can create a one-to-one backup as an ISO or DVD folder, which keeps the audio tracks and subtitles intact. And that's useful if you want a proper digital backup rather than just one converted video file. But for watching on a USB stick, MP4 is still the easiest route. And guys, speed is another part of this. WinXDVD uses GPU acceleration with Intel, NVIDIA, AMD and Apple Silicon support, and they say it can reach up to 47 times real-time speed with a full DVD to MP4 in around 5 minutes. Now, the actual time is going to depend on your computer, the disk and the settings, but you know what? It's going to be there or thereabouts. Also, guys, WinXDVD says it can reduce file size by up to 80% without visible quality loss. And if you need them, there are also some basic editing tools built in. You can trim, crop, add subtitles and extract audio. So if you only need part of a DVD or you only want the audio from something, you can do that without opening another editor. And the other thing worth mentioning is trust, guys. There are a lot of random DVD converters online and some of them are not something I'd want anywhere near my computer. Well, WinXDVD has been around for 20 years with over 86 million users worldwide, and it has been mentioned by sites like CNET, TechRadar and PC World. So you know what? This feels more like an established tool rather than a random download. And because this is their 20th anniversary, they're running a special promotion. Now, I will leave the free download link and the 20th anniversary deal link in the description so you can check the current price and license options. And guys, there's also a bonus deal for WinXDVD Video AI, which is from the same company. That one is more about improving and working with video files. It can upscale video to 1080p or 4K, denoise footage, remove blur, restore old videos and photos, convert and compress video, record your screen and download video from supported sites. So you know what? If you're digitizing DVDs and also working with older video files, that may be worth a look as well. So guys, there you have it. For me, the main use for WinXDVD Ripper Platinum is DVD to USB. Take the disc, convert it to MP4, copy it to a USB stick, and you've got something that's much easier to watch on a modern TV or computer. Just use it properly with discs you own or are authorized to back up. And guys, at the time of this video going live, check out the website and the anniversary deal. Like I said, I'll leave all links in the description. And guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to WinXDVD for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.